Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about table saw blades. I know a lot of woodworkers, they never change the blades. They always say something like, I don't have the time to change the blade. I don't have the money to buy many blades. It's always the same issue. So I would like to show you today how easy it is to change the blades. On my machine it takes like 45-60 seconds, uh, and the results with the right blade are so much better than if you always stuck on the same blade. So check this out. That's it. So we just installed a fine industrial crosscut blade, and I'm going to show you how it cuts softwood like spruce and hardwood like maple. And then we will change it to a all-purpose blade, and you will see the difference. Let's change the blade to a all-purpose blade. So the last one will be a ripping blade, which is not really good for cross-cutting. So this blade is brand new, I got it 2 days ago. So we will see how much tear out we will get, especially with softwood. Definitely the most tear out of tree blades. I hope you can see this on the cam. Softwood and hardwood, same. So as I expected, we have so much tear out on the ripping blade when we're cross-cutting, and almost nothing on a crosscut blade, and a little bit on the all-purpose blade. So you saw the difference between all these three blades, and is it important to have 3 or 4 blades? No, it's not. If you're a hobby woodworker, I think it's good enough that you have a good all-purpose blade, which will cost you between 40 and 60 bucks. This one is a 12-inch blade. It was like 50 bucks. So one good all-purpose blade, you're good with it. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Peace.